Some scooters are built for the city, others are built for the highway, but the scooters on this list can do it all. They combine performance, comfort, stability, and versatility to dominate almost every road they touch. Whether it's city traffic, mountain roads, or long highway rides, these scooters are built to perform. So in this video, we're counting down the scooters that dominate the roads. Starting with number 10. Starting at number 10, BMW C400 GT. The C400 GT proves that you don't need a massive scooter to enjoy premium road performance. Its comfortable riding position, excellent wind protection, and refined handling make it an outstanding everyday machine. Whether you're commuting through busy streets or cruising on the highway, the C400 GT feels smooth and confidence-inspiring. The ride is refined, predictable, and easy to enjoy, even over longer distances. It's a premium scooter that excels in almost every riding situation. At number 9, Honda Forza 750. The Forza 750 blurs the line between scooter and motorcycle. Its powerful parallel twin engine delivers effortless acceleration, while the premium chassis provides excellent stability at higher speeds. It's equally comfortable commuting through the city or spending hours on the highway. The combination of strong performance and everyday practicality makes it one of the most versatile scooters available today. Few scooters combine refinement and performance as well as the Forza 750. At number 8, Suzuki Bergman 650 Executive. The Bergman 650 Executive has earned its reputation as one of the greatest touring scooters ever built. Its luxurious seat, exceptional wind protection, and smooth power delivery make long-distance riding feel almost effortless. Even after years on the market, few scooters can match its combination of comfort, practicality, and highway capability. The riding experience is quiet, relaxing, and incredibly refined. For riders who spend serious time on the road, the Bergman remains an outstanding choice. At number 7, BMW C650 GT. BMW designed the C650 GT with one goal in mind: making every mile as comfortable as possible. The relaxed ergonomics, premium suspension, and excellent highway stability make it feel more like a luxury touring motorcycle than a scooter. It handles long-distance travel with remarkable ease, while still remaining practical enough for everyday use. Its smooth ride and premium feel continue to impress riders even today. It's one of BMW's finest scooter achievements. At number 6, Kymco CV3. The CV3 brings something completely different to the road. Its innovative three-wheel design delivers incredible front-end confidence, especially during long rides and changing road conditions. Combined with its powerful engine and comfortable riding position, it becomes one of the most capable touring scooters available today. The extra stability gives riders added confidence without sacrificing comfort or performance. Very few scooters inspire confidence quite like the CV3. Now we're entering the scooters that don't just handle the road well, they dominate it. At number 5, Kymco AK550 Premium. The AK550 Premium is one of the most complete performance scooters on the market. It accelerates with authority, corners with confidence, and remains remarkably comfortable over long distances. The sporty chassis gives riders the confidence to enjoy twisty roads, while the premium suspension keeps highway cruising smooth and stable. Whether you're riding through the city or chasing corners on the weekend, the AK550 feels ready for anything. It's a scooter that truly blends performance with everyday practicality. At number 4, Gilera GP800. The GP800 changed what people believed a scooter could be. Its massive engine delivered performance that rivaled many motorcycles of its era. Highway cruising feels effortless, while the acceleration remains impressive even by today's standards. Its strong engine and stable chassis made long-distance riding surprisingly enjoyable. It wasn't just fast, it proved that a scooter could be powerful, comfortable, and practical all at the same time. At number 3, Aprilia SRV 850. The SRV 850 is all about performance. Its powerful V-twin engine delivers breathtaking acceleration, making highway overtakes almost effortless. Despite its incredible speed, it remains surprisingly stable and comfortable on long rides. The power is always there whenever you need it, making every ride feel exciting. Few scooters have ever combined this much performance with genuine touring ability. Even today, it remains one of the most exciting scooters ever built. At number 2, Yamaha T-Max 560. For more than 2 decades, the T-Max has been the benchmark for performance scooters. Its exceptional handling, refined engine, and outstanding highway stability have earned it legendary status across Europe. The T-Max feels just as comfortable weaving through city traffic as it does cruising on the open highway. Its balance of performance, comfort, and everyday practicality is what makes it so special. What truly sets it apart is how effortlessly it adapts to every type of road. One moment it's carving through twisty back roads, the next it's cruising comfortably on the highway. There is a reason so many manufacturers have tried to build a scooter to rival the T-Max. Few have come close. And finally, number 1. Honda XADV 750. If there is one scooter that truly dominates the road, it's this. The XADV combines the comfort of a maxi scooter with the capability of an adventure motorcycle. It feels just as comfortable in heavy city traffic as it does on long highway journeys. And when the pavement ends, it simply keeps going. Its powerful engine, long travel suspension, upright riding position, and outstanding versatility make it unlike anything else on the market. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring mountain roads, or setting off on a cross-country adventure, the XADV handles every challenge with confidence. It isn't limited to one type of road. It feels equally capable almost everywhere you ride. Very few scooters can match its all-around capability, and that's why it takes the number 1 spot. So those were the scooters that dominate the roads. From luxury touring machines to high-performance maxi scooters, every model on this list has earned its reputation by delivering exceptional performance where it matters most. Which scooter would you choose to ride every day? Let me know in the comments below.